Alright, these two units got overspray on them. This is some sort of, this thing bales hay for you. Right. This is a bigger unit. Here you can see some of the overspray. Some paint on it. They're parked on the front line. Got smacked. Alright, that's just, you know, me shaving it and claying it. But of course I gotta polish it. So decals looking good. It's just red. Alright. Want to take the head of it off, then come back and clay it. Not quite enough. Every now and then you'll hit a big old piece of knot in the paint. Again, this is not a car paint. But it's pretty damn good. Okay. Show you something. After I just shaved it. And like I said, sometimes you'll hit like a, especially in machinery, you'll hit like a knot, piece of trash in the paint. But as you can see, I stopped it on there without nicking it or removing that, you know, chipping it, so to speak. It's perfect. That's 25 years of running over paint with a razor blade. Got to have a soft touch. Again, not to chip where there's a knot in the paint. Trash, in other words. That is, I mean, this is like straight out the factory. As I mentioned, this paint is wavy because the paint surface of metal is somewhat wavy. It's not like a car. So that overspray, it's kind of hard to get to it because it has so many highs and lows. That's why I shaved it. So the clay alone will not remove this, or else I'll be done already. Oh my God, that hurt. so much better. That just looks so much better. It reminds me of the fire trucks I've cleaned in the past. All right, this hay baler is done. All the overspray's been removed, polished it, just like it was a car. Look at that paint. Look at that reflection there, Joe. This here hay baler is repaired 100%. Looks gorgeous, but as gorgeous as a hay baler can look. I mean, sweet. Paint Overspray Removal of Texas, a division of National Overspray Removal. This here hay baler has been repaired.